Hello students. So I hope you all have read previous virtual modules and you must have understand this chapter as we have discussed in our live class also yesterday. So children, we have read about the different physical properties of a matter. Now here in previous module we have read about density and flotation. Now we'll read about three physical state of matter. Children, you must have read in 5th standard that there are three physical state of matter: solid, liquid and gas. We can see three state of water in our daily life. Simple example of this: water we can freeze as ice, it is solid form; water itself a liquid form; and water vapor as gas. Right children? So water is a good example for this to show this state of matter. When we freeze water we get ice, solid. This is solid form of water. Most substances exist in these three state of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas. These are known as the three physical state of matter. Now let's read about this solid state. So in solid state the particles are tightly packed. There is very little space between them. Strong attractive forces act between the particles that hold them together. उनके बीच में इतना ज़्यादा फोर्स होता है कि they are tightly bound with each other. So this prevents them from moving around because there is no space between them, between the particles, so the particles cannot move around. They only can vibrate. The particles only can vibrate moving around. So particles have their fixed place. Thus we can say that solid has fixed shape and fixed volume. Yes, because their molecules vibrate about their fixed positions. This gives solids a definite shape and volume. Examples: brick, table, chair, book, etc. Second comes liquid state. In liquid state children, the particles are less tightly packed than solid. The forces of attraction between the particles are not as strong as in solid. The strongest bond between the molecules in solid only. So the molecules move randomly and constantly change their position. As they are getting heat, they are getting energy, they start moving from one place to another place, right? So this allow the liquid to flow. इसी वजह से liquid can flow. So we can say that liquid do not have definite volume but do have definite volume but not definite shape, because when we are pouring liquid in a different container, this liquid takes shape of those container. Like if we are pouring that in bowl, suppose you are having milk that you are pouring in bowl, so the milk will take the shape of container only, your bowl. If you are pouring that in glass, so it will take shape of glass. So thus liquid had definite volume but not definite shape. Example: water, milk, juice, etc. Now gaseous state. In a gas, the particles are loosely packed. The forces of attraction between the particles are very weak because the particles are very far away from each other. वो एक दूसरे से दूर होते हैं. So there is no bond between the particles. The particles therefore move apart and spread out to fill any available space. जहाँ भी उन्हें space मिलता है, they move around there. वो वहाँ पे उस space को fill करने के लिए movement start कर देते हैं, right? The particles in the gaseous state move very quickly and constantly change their position. They can move very easily and they are changing their position. Like the particle which getting energy, which taking heat, they can move upside, and those who are not having energy, they will come down to take energy to get heat. Now thus gases have neither definite shape nor definite volume. So in solid they had definite shape and definite volume they have, and gas they have definite volume but not definite shape. But here in gas they neither have definite shape nor definite volume. So example of gases, we know that oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, chlorine, neon, so many gases are there. Now some properties of solid, liquid and gas. This is the table of properties of solid, liquid and gas. You can see that we can define them, these three, solid, liquid, gas, by their properties, and we can differentiate them with their properties only. Like if I am giving you question ki write any three difference between solid, liquid and gas, so you can take these differences from this table. Like solid has definite shape, liquid takes the shape of container, means it has definite, it do not have definite shape, and gas takes the shape of its container. Volume, solid have definite volume, solid has definite volume, liquid has a definite volume, and the gas fills the volume of the container. Arrangement of particles in solid, fixed and very close. Liquid, random and close, because there are some space between them. एंड गैस रैंडम, फार अपार्ट, बहुत दूर दूर होते हैं एक दूसरे से. इंट्रैक्शन between the particles means molecules in solid very strong, liquid strong because they are far, एक दूसरे से थोड़ा सा उनमें स्पेस होता है, so that is not too much strong. And gases, there is no strong, there is no foundation, no bond, no any interaction between the particles in gases. Now children, on this module I have given, basis on this module I have given two questions that compare any three properties of solid, liquid, gas. You can see this question in table only. Second, how does smell of food being cooked spread so fast? So in this module only we got this answer, why it spread so fast, because air is present in atmosphere, and we know that particles of air very far from each other, so they are moving around, वो जल्दी से spread होते हैं जहाँ उन्हें space मिलता है. तो as the स्मेल ऑफ कुकड फूड बीइंग स्प्रेड, जैसे कुकड फूड की स्मेल बनने लगती है, वो थोड़ी सी एयर के कांटेक्ट में आती है, दैट एयर पार्टिकल्स विच टेक दिस स्मेल, दे स्टार्टेड मूविंग अराउंड एंड इट गेट्स स्प्रेड वेरी फास्ट. So in next module children will read about some other properties of solid, liquid, gas like conductivity, malleability and ductility. After that our chapter will be complete. Thank you.